Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix half-sword crashing. If you're experiencing crashes while playing half-sword, here's a full guide to help stabilize your game. First, start by adjusting your in-game graphics settings. Right below the play button, click on the gear icon to open settings. Under the display tab, set your graphics quality to low, reduce the resolution, and lower the frame rate if needed. This helps minimize lag, especially since the game includes detailed physics interactions. Next, open your Steam library and locate Have Sword Demo. Right click on it, select Properties, and under the General tab, find Launch Options. Here, advanced users can enter custom commands. Type this, replace your value with your GPU's VRAM in MB. For example, if your GPU has 6 gig, convert that to 6000 MB. So if you're running on 8 gig, you'd enter 8000. This allocates appropriate memory to the game and disables memory restrictions, which may reduce crashes. Once you've done that, close the window and launch the game again. Hopefully, it runs more smoothly now. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.